Meaning of freebase.
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 Freebase. Freebase was a large collaborative knowledge graph, or a database of structured data, that aimed to collect and organize information about all topics. It was intended to be a single source of truth for all knowledge domains. Freebase was acquired by Google in 2010 and later became the core of the Google Knowledge Graph. The project was discontinued in 2016, but its legacy lives on in various forms, including Wikidata, a similar open-source knowledge graph project. In short, Freebase was an ambitious attempt to create a comprehensive and accurate encyclopedia of knowledge that could be accessed by anyone.